Ever found yourself staring at your weekend plans, only to realize you need to pop into the bank? And then, the dreaded thought hits you, is Commbank even open on Saturdays? If you've been caught in this predicament, you are not alone. Let's dive into the world of Commbank Saturday hours and figure this out together. We're living in an age where digital banking is king. You can pay bills, transfer money, and even apply for a loan without stepping foot in a branch. But sometimes, there's nothing quite like face-to-face interaction. Maybe you need help with a complex financial matter, or you simply prefer the personal touch. Whatever the reason, knowing if your local Commbank branch is open on Saturdays can be a game changer. Now, here's the thing, Commbank, like many other banks, has recognized the shift towards digital banking. As a result, the opening hours of their branches have evolved. While some branches proudly open their doors on Saturdays to cater to customer needs, others have adjusted their schedules to focus on online and mobile services. So, what does this mean for you? Let's break it down. Factor 1. Location, location, location. Just like real estate, the opening hours of your Commbank branch can vary significantly based on its location. Big city branches, especially those in bustling commercial districts, are more likely to offer Saturday hours. On the other hand, branches in suburban or rural areas might have more limited operating times. Factor 2. Branch type. Not all Commbank branches are created equal. Some are full-service branches offering a wide range of financial products and services, while others might be smaller, more focused on basic transactions like deposits and withdrawals. Generally, full-service branches are more likely to be open on Saturdays. Factor 3. Commbank's official channels. The most reliable way to find out if your specific Commbank branch is open on Saturdays is to check their official channels. Commbank has invested heavily in its online and mobile platforms, making it easier than ever to find information about branch locations and hours. Here's how you can do it. Commbank website. Visit the Commbank website and use their branch locator tool. This tool will provide you with the address, contact details, and opening hours of your nearest branch. Commbank app. If you're a Commbank app user, you can also find branch information through the app. It's usually conveniently located under the Find Us or Branches section. Direct phone inquiry. If you prefer talking to a human, you can call Commbank's customer service hotline. They can provide you with specific information about your branch's Saturday hours. Maximizing your Saturday banking. If you do manage to find a Commbank branch open on Saturday, make the most of it. Plan your visit efficiently by having a clear idea of what you need to accomplish. This will save you time and reduce wait times. Also, consider using Commbank's online and mobile banking services for routine transactions. This can free up your Saturday for more enjoyable activities. While the convenience of digital banking is undeniable, there are still times when visiting a physical branch is necessary. By understanding the factors that influence Commbank's Saturday opening hours and utilizing the available resources, you can plan your banking errands effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.